Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So I'm looking at a brand new Winnebago, and I'm kind of, it's for a customer asking us to do an inspection on it, and I'm kind of a little bit disappointed in Winnebago today. They didn't really seal this whole area good. There's openings going clear inside the unit. There's a bunch of openings and stuff that they missed. They got putty that they didn't clean up that basically rubbed itself off of this edge completely, so there's nothing really sealing that edge. They got big old voids and gaps in these corners. They got spooge putty or Dicor or whatever they used right here. When you go up on the roof, we found a plumbing vent cap off, but look at how they went from nothing to across, and as we get over there, it just made a big ass mess. They didn't clean it up. They just spooged it on there. And see that big old ring up there? That's just waste that they just messed up on. And they just left it there. So, I'm gonna have her turn that in for a warranty claim to get all that cleaned up and resealed. I don't even know if they looked like they troweled it with something, but it doesn't look good at all. They rubbed it all kind of funny, and then they painted over the top of it. So now when that has to get cleaned up and removed, it's gonna require it to have two different colors of paint. There's some areas on the roof that, that are just okay. As you can see down here, here's where they started, clear up here on the radius, and then it swoops down right here. And then as you get further down here, you can see where the tape line just swoops again. So see how it's more or less on the very edge, and then up here it comes clear over to the side. I mean, that's probably, I don't know, maybe an inch from there to here that they were off on their string line. So anyways, stay tuned for more. We're gonna go see what else we can find on this bad boy so she can submit it to get a warranty claim. There's also a tear in the vinyl fabric cut down on the opposite end down there. And so we're just giving it a once over for them. But all this stuff should have got cleaned off. It's gonna tear up the seals. And I was gonna say, is that screw even missing? But anyway, stay tuned for more. Thanks so much for watching.